Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Apple Intelligence writing tools on macOS 27. So in the current state of things, it seems like this feature is currently in development, but the basic idea of Apple is to integrate all the writing tools into Siri. So right now, we don't have any writing tools independently added to the Apple applications, as well as basically to any text fields that we can use. But instead we have this Siri icon right here, and what we can do is either we can select any piece of the text that we want to change and then ask Siri to do it for us. So if you, for example, select it like this and then right click and select Ask Siri, you can ask it about basically anything. So you don't click on any extend text or rewrite the text or make it sound professional, but instead you directly have to ask your Siri to do what you want to do. So for example, let's ask Siri to extend the topic, right? And then press enter. And this will basically do the thing automatically. So as you can see, it doesn't give us any response instead of doing its thing, although and we see this toolbar where we can basically return this text to the previous state, although as you can see it's not entirely working well. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this is a work in progress feature. Therefore, there are some bugs, there are some lags, and yeah, that's basically how it works right now. Now, to have more precise access to the writing tools, we have to tap on the Siri icon, then hover over the search and or ask menu, and this will give us a suggestion to edit with Siri, or as you can see right now, I don't have it, so let's manually enter edit with Siri. Of course, it will not. Oh no, it actually found the thing that I'm looking for. Almost. Okay, no, it actually didn't. So let's tap right here once again. Let's hover over search and or ask, and still I cannot find it. Okay, so as I told you, this is a work in progress feature, therefore it's not very clear how exactly it works. But generally speaking, usually when you select Siri in this menu and then hover over search or ask, you should see edit with Siri as an option at the top. But if you don't see it, you just have to select the entire text, right click, select Ask Siri, and then ask it to do one change. So check for example like this. Okay, it doesn't seem like it understood what I'm looking for, but let's maybe ask it to normalize text. Okay, and so yeah, basically this way we will open this rewrite tool where we can access all the previously available settings like proofread, rewrite, asking it how it sounds, and checking the changes. But still, it doesn't seem like this feature works as intended for now. But you can make some experiments and get a better idea, or maybe have a better grasp on how this actually works, and hopefully they will improve it in the public beta version, and of course on the release when the system is released. But for now it looks like what it looks like. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.